guys, welcome back to the vlogs. This is my first vlog of the year, so happy 2024. So I know I said in my last vlog that I wanted to be a lot more consistent on my YouTube channel. I promise you guys that literally was the plan. Truly, like, I wanted to be posting a lot more on here, but I have a good reason, I promise. So probably like a few days after I finished filming that vlog, I had a little accident. I hurt my knee. Hurt is like a little bit of an understatement though, because I kind of like actually severely injured my knee. We can talk more about that later because it, like, the whole story itself is like so silly and ridiculous, and I cannot believe this happened to me. Like, stuff like this does not happen to me. I have never injured myself in my life. Also, the worst timing, it happened right at the beginning of December, so right before Christmas, New Year's, and my birthday. I spent over a month on crutches. I had like a full leg brace on for 3 weeks. It was so ugly, you guys. Like, it was so traumatic. So that's where I've been. I feel like this New Year's did not really feel like New Year's for me because I couldn't really do much. But yeah, because I was so out of commission at the beginning of the year, I honestly didn't really set any goals or like do any planning, which I normally do. I don't necessarily set like big New Year's resolutions or like crazy things, but I do like it as a fresh start, and I find it like so motivating, like a new beginning to kind of refocus. So I do really like that aspect of New Year's, and I didn't really do that this year. I gotta book a facial, I want to self-tan, I want to set some goals, I want to like refresh, reorganize, like reset my entire apartment. I just want to like switch up the vibes, you know, like have a full reset. Like, I'm finally out of recovery mode and coming alive again. I need to like get my personality back and like get my life together. So that's the plan. We're gonna like just get our lives together. I just made some rice and I'm just cooking some veggies. I just like threw some veggies in, and then I just added some kale and edamame. I made such a mess over here, like I need to clean this, but I just cooked the veggies in this Korean barbecue sauce, and then I'm going to put some sriracha on it, and honestly that's all I'm doing. Like, simple, easy. This is lunch. Honestly, not too bad. I feel like a warm bowl is kind of the vibe today because it's so gloomy and gross outside. It's about 10:30, so I'm gonna start getting ready to go to bed. One of my goals is to start going to bed earlier because I feel like I just stopped caring for a while and I was going to bed so late. And I feel like I need to prioritize sleep a lot more. I have an Aura ring to track my sleep. I find it so interesting. This is not sponsored. I pay for my membership for my Aura ring. It gives you like a sleep score and a readiness score. It tracks like your body temperature, your heart rate, like how long it takes your heart to like slow down at night. It tracks so many different factors. When I go to bed earlier, all of my scores are just so much better, and also I just feel better in the morning. This is the self-tanner that I use. I love Nude. It's one of my favorite self-tanning brands, and this is their self-tanning water mousse, and it's clear. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I'm currently in my bedroom. I'm just getting ready for the day. I woke up this morning feeling just a little bit under the weather. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I just woke up with like a stuffy nose and I'm just feeling like a little bit of a cold coming on. But I'm just gonna like kind of take it easy today and like not push myself too hard because I really don't want to get sick. I'm like just on the mend, so I'm trying to not get sick at all. I also have plans tomorrow, so I cannot get sick. I was just trying to pick an outfit out for the day and realized just like I have so much clothing. This entire closet is all my stuff. I had to kick Brayden out of this closet and he doesn't have anything in here. He has stuff in the front hall closet, and then I have another clothing rack out in the front hall. I have so much stuff. So I feel like today I just need to like do some deep cleaning and organization and do a bit of a closet clean out. So anyway, that's what I want to focus on today. I just want to like organize, clean, get this place like back together.
Looking around, nobody's with me, guess I'll move on ahead. Searching the ground, a sign I've been here before, it's all inside my head. Is it not strange how we all
guys. So I just finished getting ready for the day. And now I'm back in the bedroom organizing. I don't even know if like this looks organized, you guys, but I swear this was so crazy yesterday and this looks so much better. I'm trying to have all the hangers be these silver topped ones, but I ran out of them, so I have to pick up some more on the weekend. So I just have like a couple extra little stragglers there, but then out of here I just have a bunch of stuff that I'm taking into the consignment store this weekend. I literally have 2 full bins. I'm still working on filling them up, and then 4 pairs of shoes. There's a pair of boots in this box that are here in this purse. So that's what I'm working on today. I'm just gonna try to like organize everything. Hopefully the sun will come out so I can shoot a couple get ready with me reels today, because that would be nice. When I have some computer work to do later, I have a bunch of emails to finish up for the week. And then tonight I have plans with my friends. We're having a little girls' night. I think I mentioned this. You can hear a noise. It's my dryer that's like making so much noise right now. I'm doing laundry currently as well. But yeah, tonight I'm so excited. We have a little girls' night planned, and I'm going to my friend Hannah's for drinks first, and then we're going out to a comedy show. It's gonna be so fun. Cute little girlies' night. Good morning, guys. Today is currently Saturday, and we rented a car for the weekend, so we're just gonna go out and run some errands. And I really want to go to IKEA, and like honestly I just want to go shopping today for like maybe some home decor and just stuff for like organization. That's what we're gonna do today. That's actually a very cute lamp. I broke the lamp beside my bed, so I do need a new one. This one's kind of cool. It's like 30 bucks. Now we're waiting to get food because we're so hungry. We just got home. Oh my god, my battery is about to die. I really hope it doesn't die. I wanted to show you guys what we got. So I'm trying to remember how much footage I got, but we went to IKEA, we went to Costco, and we just like did some errands and stuff, like nothing too exciting, but I'll show you guys a little haul of what we got. So I got another clothing rack for the bedroom. We got some stuff from IKEA, just got napkins. I got some more tea lights because I was out. And then we just got this shelf unit for the bathroom. It's honestly not that cute, but I really needed it. It's just this, I don't know if you can see, but it's like this shelf. I'm honestly, like, we're trying to make it work in here, but we're like really exploding out of this place. I'm obsessed with this apartment. I think it's so pretty. It's like the prettiest apartment I've ever lived in, but it's kind of small. So we're trying to see if like we can make it work or if we need to move. That's kind of like what we're deciding between right now, but I'm obsessed with it. Like, it's so hard to find fixtures like this and like really pretty light wood with like the marble backsplash. Like, I'm obsessed with this apartment. I think it's so nice and we have such a beautiful view. But yeah, we're just trying to see if we can make it work. Otherwise, we are gonna start looking for a bigger place. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, this is everything that we got for groceries. I'll just give you a quick overview because I don't know if this is very interesting, just food. And then also when we were at Costco, we got this thing of 6 towels, and they feel so soft. They literally feel like hotel towels, and it was only 30 bucks for 6 bath towels. I thought that was like a really great deal. So good. I've been working through my little list of things to do. So my laundry's all done. I actually already washed my makeup brushes, so like all that extra little stuff is done already. But anyway, the apartment is feeling so much cleaner. It is so dark in here. It's only 3 p.m. and it's just been so great. But I'm super excited because my flower delivery just got here. So we're gonna put out some flowers and get the place feeling so good. I get a bi-weekly flower delivery and it is the best thing I've ever gotten, truly. It just brightens up my apartment so much and they're just so pretty. They're so stunning. They're so pretty. These are the flowers. Okay, I need to get a vase. This is the hardest part when Braden's not home because I am short and I can't reach anything. So I need to climb up here and get a vase. Be right back. I'm gonna put the little flower food packets in here, fill this up with water. So, time for goal setting. I prefer to type things out rather than write them down in a journal. So basically, I just want to plan out 3 goals for every month. Like I don't want anything like insane on my list. I feel like when you plan these massive goals and then you don't achieve them and then you're hard on yourself for not achieving them, and it just kind of like defeats the purpose of setting goals because it's supposed to be something that like gets you excited and motivates you and like makes you feel good. I feel like I used to be the person and I would set like 5,000 goals for myself and then I obviously like wouldn't achieve them all. Then I would get so frustrated with myself for not achieving them. So I don't do that anymore. I feel like that's just not the vibe. So I want to set 3 goals, and included in that are just some little habits that I want to focus on. I want it to be very easy on myself this month because I'm just like getting back into the swing of things. So we're being super chill. My goal for January, my only goal is to heal my knee, and it's on its way. We're not fully there yet, but we're almost there. So because I'm still nursing a knee injury, I put workout once a week because I don't technically have the green light to work out yet, but she said that I can, because I go to physio every week, but now I'm doing it every 2nd week because like we're seeing progress. So she said that I can do yoga, work out once a week, read for 20 minutes every weekday. I want to read for 20 minutes a day at least. I'm such a reader, but I feel like for some reason lately, like these past few weeks, my attention span has just been like so bad. I don't know what's going on, but I just like haven't been able to focus. But I want to get back into reading, so I want to like really start forcing myself to read and get back into it. And then my last goal for February is to cook 1 new recipe each week. I'm such a bad cook. Like I'm not good at cooking at all. Braden is the chef in this household. He does all the cooking and I feel like I want to learn how to cook, even just like a little bit. That would be great. So I want to try 1 new recipe a week. So I want to start building some better habits, create a morning routine, because you guys, I feel like I used to be like such a morning routine girly and I was so good at sticking to it, but I just like, I don't know, I haven't been like on my shit lately. So I want to create a morning routine again and stick to it because I feel like I just feel so much better when I start my day with like even just like a 30-minute morning routine of like something positive. I want to take my vitamins every day and then drink more water. I need to like get better. I literally have a glass of water here that I'm drinking, but I want to get better at drinking a lot of water. The vibes are set. This chocolate, it tastes like a coffee crisp. It has cocoa nibs and coffee, and it's my favorite chocolate ever. It just looks like this, but it straight up tastes like a coffee crisp, and it's so good. Okay, I think we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and now that I'm feeling better and my knee is healed, the vlogs will be much more frequent. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see. I love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all very soon in my next video.